Hello, my name is Quantum Freedom, and we're going to go over 7 books to get started with Chaos Magick. Now, this first book, it's called Advanced Magick for Beginners by Alan Chapman. The reason why I'm recommending this book first, it's out of the several dozen magic books that I've read, this is by far the best, easiest, quickest way to get started learning with Chaos Magick. There's tons of actionable exercises, and he just gives a really good explanation on magic and where to start and to go forth from there. The next book that I recommend is called the Psychonot Field Manual by Blue Flake. It's kind of cartoony, and that might not appeal to everybody, but he gives just tons of exercises, explanations in a free format, illustrated format, that you can go through, and it's free. That's the best part. And some of my other favorites are these 2 books, Condensed Chaos and Prime Chaos by Phil Hine. He goes over tons of actionable exercises. This is the book that I got started with. He goes over sigil magic, invocation, and servitors in Condensed Chaos, and then in Prime Chaos, it's kind of a continuation, so I would recommend reading Condensed Chaos first, but he gets more in-depth about pretty much the same topics, and he includes a lot of group magic rituals and protocols. What I recommend next are these 2 books, Libran L Psychonaut, and then Libran Chaos. Libran L Psychonaut are basically the books that kicked off what is known today as Chaos Magic. He goes over the theory behind Chaos Magic, gives tons of practices and exercises. It's absolutely a staple in any magician's collection. Libran Chaos, he just digs really deep into chaos magic theory, and tons of other things as well. This last book I recommend is by one of my favorite authors and podcasters of all time, especially in the magic and paranormal community. The Chaos Protocols honestly made me change the way I think about magic and how I implement and use magic. So it's kind of recommended that you read a beginner book before this. This is more intermediate, but I still use techniques and processes from this book till this day. I reference this book all the time. It's fantastic. I will include links to these books in the description below. And may your magic be successful, and I will see you in the next video.